Hi guys and girls. Today's question reads, find the length of each line segment using Pythagorean theorem, verify the answer using the distance formula, then round the answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, all we're going to do today is the first part of that question, which is just finding the length of the line segment using Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, now as you saw in the last couple of videos, Pythagoras' theorem is the stuff written in the box. Okay, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And our job is to use that fact to work out the length of each line. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is turn this line into a triangle. Okay, and to do that, I'm just going to draw the sides in green. Hopefully you can see them. And that way, as you see, just like with the gradient one, you can turn any line into a right angled triangle. Okay? Your next job is to count the sides of each of that triangle that aren't the long one. 1, 2, 3. That's my first side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is my second side. Okay? So what I do is I rewrite the Pythagoras' theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then what I do is I chuck in my 3 and 5 for my a and b. C is a length for the one we're trying to find out. But 3 and 5 are the a and b. Okay, so 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 3 under the a, 5 under the b, because that's where those numbers come from and belong. Okay, now 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25, equals c squared. Okay, my next step is to add my two things. So 9 plus 25 is 34. Okay, so 34 equals my c squared. Okay, so 34 is the length of that side squared. So I square root it. Square root of 34 will give me my c. C is the square root of 34. Okay, so let's get out my calculator. Come on, calculator, work it out. Cool. Okay, so square root button is the tick. Mine looks like that. Then 34 equals 5.83. Okay, now it says round it to the nearest tenth. That's the 8, so it's 5.8. 3 is not enough to make it round up, so it's 5.8. C equals 5.8. And that's my answer. Okay, there's a lot of working out, but if you do each step one after the other, you'll get it right and understand how it works. Okay, key steps are, first of all, count across and down. Okay, make it into a triangle, count across and down. Next step is to sub into the formula. So you've got your a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Copy those numbers from the count into the a and b. Then you just calculate it out. Square the numbers, add them together, square root the answer, get the number. Okay, if you have any problems, just ask. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys and girls.